Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with me, and we're going to make a little ornament today. This is going to be a Christmas ornament. I got these little, I guess they're like chipboard disc or wood disc from Michael's. They had them on sale, and I think they still do. If they do, I'll link them below. It was like, I think you got 24 for, I don't know, $10 or $11, something like that. And these are just the right size for the little Christmas ornaments. So we're going to make one today. I'm going to use my Chalk Couture. This is the Transfer Holiday Icons. And I'm going to get my scissors. I want to make these bells right here is what I want to do. And you can see they have the little lines in between them so that you'll know where to cut them out. So I'm going to cut this out. And yes, I've already been doing some, so that's why my hands are all inky. But I have wiped it off, so hopefully it won't get on my project. We're going to lay that one aside, and then I'm just going to pull the backing off of this one. I have my water standing by behind me, so it's ready to go. Now, I'm just going to try to center this up, and I'm going to go by that little knot up there as to where that needs to be, the top needs to be, and then I'm just going to lay it down like that. Now I didn't fuzz this one because it's a tiny image and it's going on this wood stuff, so I don't think it's going to hurt anything, but I am pressing it down really well with my finger, making sure it doesn't have any bubbles in it. And then I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do the ribbon in red, and I have already stirred my red up with my little spoon here. And I'm not going to need but a tiny bit, so I can just use this off of the spoon. And let's see if I can get it right in there. Okay, so that's all the red that I need right there. I'm just going to wipe that off, and then I'm going to wipe the end of this off because I'm going to use it again. And of course I'm going to make the bell silver. So we're just going to get a little bit out of the cap and put down here. And I'll have to be very careful not to mix those. This silver is so pretty. Now normally on these small ones like this you wouldn't do it two different colors, you just do one color and that would be it. But I wanted to try to do the two colors on here, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to do those little tops without letting that red dry or not, but we shall see. I'm going to put any excess back in there. And I'm just going to take the side of this little, call it a spatula, I don't know what it is. And I'm just going to go around, just lightly touching that, hopefully. Hopefully I'm getting it in there. Can't put too much, so we're just tapping it. Okay, let's pull that off and see what we've got. I'm not even going to worry about pulling any of that red off of there. Oh, how cute! Look at that! That turned out cute. And see, it wasn't that hard to do the two colors on there. I don't know if you can see the shine and the shimmer in that. Ooh, let me grab a hold of it. In that silver or not. Can you see that shine and shimmer in there? That is so pretty. So I'm going to lay this aside and let it dry, and there is an ornament for my tree. So as you can see, I decided to go ahead and make a few more. It only took me, let's see, maybe 7 minutes, and that's with washing my transfers and everything to make all of these. And I'm going to give these as gifts, and on the back I'll write with my white pen, to and from. You could even use these as tags and just write on the back to and from, and then they would have them for keepsakes for next year for little ornaments for their trees. But these are so easy. I got started and I couldn't stop, and now I just want to go ahead and do all the rest of them. So I have ordered more of those little circles from Michael's while they're on sale. They are still on sale, and I've still got more transfers that I can do, so I can't wait. Those transfers that I just did, all you have to do is wash them, let them dry them upside down. Don't put the sticky part on the towel, dry them upside down. Let them dry completely, and you can use them again. They'll stick right back down just like they did this time. All right, guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you'll give it a try. It's very simple, and it's wonderful. Absolutely beautiful. I love the silver, that silver snowflake. So pretty. I wish you could see the silver glistening. It's got a shine to it, but I can't, it won't focus in on it on here. Alright guys, we will talk to you later. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and when that little bell pops up, click that bell so that you'll be notified when we put up new videos. Right down here in the right hand side, you can click my face there and subscribe. Over here you can go to our shop, and that link is right there. You just click on it and go over there and shop. And then up here in the top should be a couple more videos that you might like to see. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.